Hi, this is Daniel. In today's video, we will learn how to set up EasyWP SMTP server and WordPress. So first of all, we will learn what does SMTP stands for and what does it do. So SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and it is an application used by mail servers to send and receive outgoing mail between email senders and receiver. So when you send an email with SMTP post, the SMTP server processes your email and decides which server to send the message to and relays the message to that server. So the recipient's inbox service providers such as Gmail, you can say, or AOL, then downloads the message and places it in the recipient's inbox. So let's just start with the process. So first of all, we will log in into our WordPress dashboard. We'll go over to plugins, add new, and here in the search plugin section, we will search for Easy WP SMTP. So here's a plugin. You will click on install now. It is by WP e-commerce. Set it up. Here in the plugin section, we'll click on under Easy WP SMTP. We'll click on settings. Here we can just find the necessary settings and do it. So you can just request your hosting provider for the SMTP details of your site. Use the SMTP details provided by your hosting provider to configure the following settings. So we are gonna do it manually. So let's just set it up. I want to set it up for like admin at ropestop.com. And from name, what name do we want to send in our mail? So I'll just name this as ropestop. And reply to is basically when someone replies to your mail, which email you want it to get delivered to. So I'll again just type it as admin at ropestop.com. Okay, so now BCC email address, if you want to give this, you can give this, or if not necessary, you can leave this. So I'll just set it up as mail at ropestop.com, or you can give any of your email address. So now just what we need is SMTP host. So let's just go to our cPanel and go to our email accounts. Here, let's just see if we have the email. So first of all, we will create an email of the name ropestop.com. Username would be admin. I'll set it up a password. Okay, sounds good. So I'll just click on create. So now the email has been created. So let's just go back, or just go over here at admin at ropestop.com. We'll click on manage, connect devices. In here we can find our SMTP server details. So let's just set it up. So our incoming server is S17 hoster PK. So we'll just copy this and paste it over here. Because this is our SMTP host, we'll always select this type of encryption to SSL TLS, and they are asking for the SMTP port. So our SMTP port would be 465. So let's just set it up 465. SMTP authentication, just keep it to yes. Now here they're asking for our SMTP username. So SMTP username would be your email and the password. admin@rockstar.com, and the password what I've set it up. So yeah, great. So I'll click on save changes. So the setting has been changed. So let's just check if that's working. We leave these options as it is for now. So now let's try sending a test mail to. So I'll send a test mail to subject would be like test email, and the message would be hi, this is our test email. Oh, great. Let's just send it up. So here we can see a message test mail was successfully sent. No errors occurred during the process. So we have set it up our SMTP now. Let's go to our email account. We can see we have received a test email from rockstar.com. So the name is there, the email is there. So we have properly set it up our SMTP server. So you can follow these steps and set it up your SMTP. And if there is any error in the email deliverability, so you can just use this plugin. So it will help you to send emails. So that's enough from the video. Till then, take care and keep watching DTech TV.